Dear friends, welcome to Learning About. In this concluding part of the SSC JEE General Intelligence series, I'll be starting from question number 39 from one of the latest SSC JEE paper held on 27th October 2020. Now, the link to the earlier three videos can be found in the description below. So, those of you who have not watched that can make use of it. Now, question number 39, it is an analogy based question. It is a meaning based analogy question. And so, we have been given a pair, robust is to vigorous, and then there are four options. So, robust and vigorous, they are similar in meaning. Okay, so we can say robust is equal to vigorous. Okay, so robust means strong and healthy. You can say it is strong and healthy, and vigorous also means the same. Okay, now if you look at the answer choice, now gentle, harsh is opposite, cordial, rude is opposite, deep, shallow is opposite. Okay, whereas option 2, chaos and disorder, they mean the same. So you can say chaos is equal to disorder. Answer for question number 39 is answer option 2. 40, arrange the words as in a English dictionary. So if you look at the words, the first two letters have FA as common. Okay. Now after that, if you look at the third letter, okay, if you consider only the third letters, there are two words having B, then you have C, then I, and then L. This should be the order. Okay. So the two words having B and B, the fourth letter is R. Okay, so BR, so FA, BR, then it should be like BU. So which means first word should be in the dictionary, first word should be the first word fabricate. The second one should be the third word fabulous, and the third one should be facade, that's 5, and the fourth word should be between I and L, I comes first, so that should be fair lead. So 1, 3, 5, 4, and then 2. Okay, so that's answer option 2 for question number 40, arrange as in a dictionary. Now, question number 41. In a code language, movies is written as VBLSRJ and great is written as WXHOJ. How will reflect be written in that language? Let's just quickly write down the numbers. So, M is 13, O 15, V 22, I 9, E 5, S 19, and V is 22, B is 2, L is 12, S is 19, R is 18, and J is 10. And when you look at great, G is 7, R is 18, E is 5, A is 1, T is 20. And here you have 23, 24, H is 8, 15, and J is 10. Okay, so if you look at the relation S and V, okay, they are connected, it is +3. Okay, now E and B, it is -3, and so on. Okay, I and L, it is +3. Okay, so similarly you can see here T and W, it is +3. A to X is -3, that is they are going in the reverse. A, Y, I'm sorry, Z, Y, and then X, like that, -3. Okay, and then E +3, you have H. Okay. So similarly, if you have to write a reflect, R is so T plus 3, T is 20, T plus 3 would be W. Okay. So that's okay. Anyhow, W is common. Okay. Then C minus 3 would be Z. So W is at E plus 3. E plus 3 would be H. Okay. So W is at H. Then L minus 3. L minus 3 would be I. Okay. L minus 3 would be I. Then F plus 3. Okay. F plus 3 would be I again. Okay. That is 6 plus 3, 9. E minus 3 would be B, and R plus 3. R plus 3 would be U. Okay, so you get W is at H I B U. That's answer option 4 for question number 41. A very interesting question. Question number 41. 42. Okay, so when the following symbol is folded to form a cube, find the symbol on the face opposite to the face showing star. Okay, now it is all about visualization here. Now this percentage, okay, now let that be the side that we are facing. Okay, let percentage be the side that we are facing. Okay, now the side that is on top, okay, the side that is on top, let that be this symbol. Okay, what we call it, we use it as often use it as the power symbol. Okay, so let that be on the top. Okay, then if you just bring it down, okay, now this dollar would be on the opposite of percentage symbol. Okay, that's the back side. Okay, right, that would be there. And in the bottom, okay, in the bottom you would have star. In the bottom you would have star. And for just for clarity purpose, I'm saying this. Now this would fold this side. Okay, this percentage, okay, on the left of percentage, mean to our left. Okay, you will have the exclamatory mark, and then on the other side you will have now this. Okay, would go the other side. That, so here it will be at. Okay, so on top you have the power symbol, or the caret symbol. In some regions it's called as a caret symbol, and in the bottom you will have the star symbol. Okay, now the question is, find the symbol on the face opposite to the face showing the symbol star. Okay, so star is in the bottom. Okay, so star is in the bottom. Okay, now on the top, on the exact opposite top, you have this symbol. Okay, so answer is answer option 3. So it is about visualization, it is about folding. Okay, so just keep your percentage as the side that you are facing, and then so if you start like folding it to make a cube, the power symbol or the caret symbol that comes on the top, and then dollar symbol on the back side, that is just exactly opposite to the percentage, and so on. So you can finish that. The answer is answer option 3 for this question. 43. Okay, it's the next alphabet, the series. Let's just try to write down the numbers. So 3, 26, 21. Okay, now this V is 22, S is 19, N is 14, O 15, L is 12. Okay, so what is the next alphabet in the series? So you can see the progress. Okay, that is now 3 to 26 is, or C to Z is minus 3. Okay, then you go for like minus 5, then plus 1, then minus 3, then minus 5, then plus 1, n plus 1 is O, then O minus 3 is L, then L minus 5, L minus 5 would be, L is 12, L minus 5 would be 7, the seventh letter is G. Okay, so 12 minus 5 is 7, seventh letter is G. Answer for this question is answer option 2, G is the answer for question number 43. 24, analogy, meaning based analogy. Barometer is used to measure pressure, hygrometer is used to measure humidity, so ohm meter is used to measure what? It is used to measure option 4, resistance. Okay, resistance is the answer for question number 44. Question number 45, a simple Venn diagram. So you have dollar, currency and real. So you know some countries, you know, like the United States, the currency, like how the Indian currency is called as rupee, the US, the United States currency, for example, is called as dollar. Okay, likewise the Iranian currency, for example, it is called as Iranian currency is called as real. Okay, so we have dollar, we have real. Okay, and then you have currency. Okay, now both dollar and real come under the category of currency. Okay, so that is answer option 3 for question number 45. Okay, so dollar, real, they come into the category of currency. So that is the relationship. Venn diagram based question, another easy question. Question number 46. If calcium is written as XGG XOAH, how will remote be written in that language? Okay, so calcium, let us just try to go for the numbers. So C is 3, 1, 12, 3, 9, 21, M is 13. Okay, now this is 24. Okay, so G is 7, 7, 24 again, 15, 1 and H is 8. Okay, now what is the relation? Now 3, when C is 3, you're going C to X, what is the relation? 2 places here, okay, and 3 places here. Okay, so that is like minus 5. So C to X is like minus 5 or 5 places to the left. Okay, now A to G is plus 6. Okay, A to G is plus 6, and then L to G is minus 5, and then you have C to X, that's minus 5. Okay, so it is not like plus 5 minus 6, it is not alternate, Okay, so we have to guess the logic here. Okay, and then you have I is 9, and I plus O is like you have plus 6 again here. Okay, so what is happening here is, if the alphabet is in the original word, if the alphabet is a consonant, you go for minus 5. If it is a vowel, you go for plus 6. Okay, so that's the idea here. In the original, okay, if the alphabet is a consonant, you go for minus 5. If it is if it is a vowel, you go for plus 6. Now coming to remote, okay, REMOTE. Now R is a consonant and the number is 18. So you go for minus 5, that is 13. Okay, now E is a vowel and the place is 5. So you go for like plus 6, that is 11. Okay, now M is a consonant, right? And the M number is 13. So 13 minus 5 is 8. O is a vowel, 15. 15 plus 6, you go for 21. Okay, and T is a consonant and T portion is 20. 20 minus 5, you go for 15. E is a vowel. Okay, 5 plus 6, you'll get 11. Okay, so 13th alphabet is M, K, 8 is H, 21 is U, 15 is O, 11 is K again. Okay, so MKHUOK, MKHUOK, that's answer option 4 for question number 46. That's another interesting question, question number 46. So I repeat, if in the original language, if the letter is a consonant, minus 5, okay, or 5 places to the left, in other words, if the letter is a vowel, 6 places to the right or add 6. Question number 47, that's another interesting question. So if Republic is coded as EPRUBCIL, Pickover is coded as what? Okay, now first thing first, REPU is a cluster, okay, and BLIC is a cluster. That is a block. Okay, so REPU is coded as EPRU and BLIC is coded as BCIL. Okay, so similarly, this 4, okay, PIC should be a block and over should be a block. Now let's look at the relation. R is 18, E is 5, P is 16, U is 21. Now you look at the number here, E is 5, P is 16, R is 18. Okay, so it is in ascending order. It is in ascending order. Okay, let's again anyhow confirm. B is 2, L is 12, I is 9 and C is 3. Now here again you look, B is 2, C is 3, I is 9 and this, so it is in ascending order. Okay, so pick is P is 16, I is 9, 3 and K is 11. So if you write in the ascending order, it should be C, I, K, P. Okay, C, I, K, P. That's answer option 1 for question number 47. Okay. Now anyhow, let's just confirm the other side also. So if you, so in that case, it should be E, R, I'm sorry, E, O, E, O and R, V, E, O, R, V. So that's the second block. So answer for 47 is answer option 1. Okay. Now, the 9 questions that I've solved so far. Okay. Now, I am very confident about the answer and I have also confirmed with the answer key, official answer key. Okay. Now, as far as this particular question is concerned, now I have, but the next two questions are concerned, I have like a contradiction with the official answer key. Okay, so if suppose any of you who are watching this video, if you feel that I am wrong and the answer key is correct, you please feel free to correct me. You can comment in the comment box. I'll also make a change in the video. Okay, so so up to 47, I'm I'm sure about the answers and that also matches with the answer key. But this one, like, I'm not really comfortable with the answer key that is given, the official answer key that is given. I'll just give you my logic. Let's see if it is working. I'll tell you what is my logic as far as this particular question is concerned. Now 12 into 1 is 12. 12 into 2 is, I'm sorry, 12 into 1.5 is 18. 18 into 2 is 18 into 2 is 36. After that, it should be 36 into 2.5. Okay, so 36 into 2.5, that should be 90. Okay, it should not be 54, that should be 90, and then 90 into 3, it should be 270. So the official answer given is like 54 into 3, 162. So 162 is the answer, is official key given, but I think the answer should be 270. Okay, right. Now if you're asking for the other alternate numbers, 31, the next prime number is 29. Okay, if you go in the descending order, after 29 it is 23. 23, the next prime number in the descending order is 19. After 19 it is 17. Now after 17 it is 13 is the next prime number. After 13 it is 11. After 11, 7 is the next prime number. After 7 it is 5. So that's the sequence. Okay. So answer, I think it should be 270. If you have any contradiction, please do let me know. And 49, see, a paper, you're having a paper, you're folding it into like half. Okay, so like this edge, like comes here. Okay, now after that, now this edge, okay, you're folding it, and because of that, this edge, okay, comes here, and you're folding it this way, and this edge comes here. Okay, now if you're going to put a hole, okay, if you're going to put a hole and open up, okay, now according to me, even I have tried it like in live, in my, like using a punching machine, I also tried the same sequence. Okay, so I think, like when you open up, right, since you are folding it from this side, you should have, like one hole here and another hole here, one hole here, another hole here, and one hole here, another hole here. Okay, so I think the answer is answer choice 3 for this question, but according to the answer key, according to the official answer key, the answer given is this, but I think this should be the answer. Again, if you have any contradictions with my answer, please do let me know in the comments below. We'll discuss, right? And so with this, I come to the conclusion of this video series of 27th October 2020 Shift 1 paper. I hope you liked all my videos in this series. I also thank all of you for the tremendous response that you have shown for all the SSC JEE videos. Okay, both the 30th October shift which I had done in Tamil, and like the 27th October this particular series, as also the general awareness videos. Okay, so all these videos, also even my earlier SSC JEE videos that I initially posted in October. So all my videos every day, like I'm getting constant views of these videos. Thank you very much for your response. If you have any questions, please comment in the comment box below. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel Learning About for more videos on job alerts, aptitude, reasoning and general awareness. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you.